Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to download any page from Google Chrome. Sometimes you may want to download a web page and access it later offline. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. There are two methods. So for the first method, first open up Google Chrome and select a web page that you want to save. After doing that, simply right-click on an empty space. Then you'll see a list of options. Select the option that says Save As. You can also access this through the shortcut Ctrl+S. Click on Save As. So when you click on Save As, a new folder will appear and you will select the destination folder you will save your web page to, the file name, and the type. It is recommended to save as a complete file. Then finally, click on Save. When your file has completed downloading, you can minimize this and access your file from the destination folder. Another method to download any web page from Google Chrome is similar to this one. You right-click again, and instead of selecting Save As, you'll select Print. So when you select Print, this new window will appear, and on the new window, you'll see on the right side there are options. So for the first one, you need to select the option that says Save as PDF. And after selecting the option that says Save as PDF, simply click on Save to download the page. And a new window will appear asking you the file name and the destination folder you want. Select the one you prefer, and finally click on Save. And to access the web page you downloaded, simply minimize Chrome and open the PDF file that you have downloaded. And here is the web page. So this is how you download any page from Google Chrome. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.